Michel Njokondia, Naibi new president for Central African Republic. Country people, then you don't talk again. Say this so it go take 3 years for organized election for that country. But you never talk. Say this so it go come out for power. He say it go take 3 years for do to call and say this so organized election. It don't first suspend constitution for that country. How it is on 48 hours now. And this person where they call it Seweti, say this one François Bozizé day for place where they call and say this way Hilton for Yaoundé day. Yes, a minister and they do Allah for Bonanjo. Yes, who country people them. We talk about fire too. We don't burn for Bafang, fire burn for Makepe Misoke. Put our family for chef de bloc through for inside total darkness and SDF country people them. We tell na palaba so ya we cause this so them fight for place where they call them. See what you say this one for place where they call them. Say this quartier Bangante for New Belgium country people them. Then we'll talk about Colby song for Yaoundé Latino day and the strike for Chinese them. Chinois they don't lock boutique since yesterday. They say go be so 7 days country. People to talk about this matter. Then chapter for election, we ask this man what they call it. Say John Frundi, country people them. Say make it talk, wait away. I mean, all man sabi say Frundi, they ever go now for election as president of the republic. This is why we accept for go for senatorial as senator, so country people, our senator as senator country people them. Now for talk say what he say don't accept saying Kunkuma Pasi or now for say make you go fight it from inside the house. When we here to a Frundi, they talk about this one inside Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television with Mieze, Ekuleku to reading. When I come good country people them wanna stop fine and na Pigeon TV News this for Equinox Television with me. Eze Ekuleku we start with same story for today. Man picking they like cooking spoon where they enter all pot soup. Same story for today. Man picking they like cooking spoon where they enter all pot soup. Now, if we that same story for today, country people, them say man picking the like cooking spoon, they enter all pot soup. We'll give you that same story for today now, Madam Aja Mokta. Thank you plenty for this one too. Supporting us, we talk about to come up for is in the one of Mbano. You know, say Colonel Fonkong for Quartier General for Yaoundé day they follow this one better one country people them. So we're not doing enough for not toxicity. Fire for Bafang, it burned some big compound for the all man for that side, all team lost for the Sape Pompino de Bafang country people. Na population fight them for the way this so they fit quench the fire for Bafang day. Ladies. Andi Nganung take we na talk in mop. Maybe talk in mop the eye and ear for Bafang day. They take we go they look how we speaking they can even ground for quench fire. Taking the carry even banana stem or plantistic for quench fire. Oh man, even leaf they try for quench fire. What else say where they can for neighbor? Where neighbor help neighbor? This speaking talk away this so everything said they be lost light. Then the one play now, light come back Toronto. You see how fire you start. Fire start for some kind of way this so they don't understand again. So now they see they carry water. Bucket, water first plenty mba. We na go see some place where we sapper no look am. See, na their own sapper tio for sapper pompier this way. The quench fire. Wait, so country people the wonderful thing. But it didn't solve any problem for that side. It solve any situation for they too. They can side by side too. For can see how they feel quench am. For they run go take the water again, bring them so. As a side by side for they. Na so things they happen all team for the whole big compound. My midden should not for corner. Parent way they not get thrown. They should not for corner. They cry na cry. Have all team just the bond. They go for fire, they burn to go for fire, they go for fire. So, block through for Makepe Misoke yesterday evening time country people them. Nasoso chapter for fire. Wait happen for that block through for Makepe Misoke country people them for that fire. So for them, nakenke hamba will take place. So, but the sina sikwi I say all chef the block for the and family they turn SDF. Now this. They talk about them. Now it happen so. Now it happen so. Oh boy, you don't know place where you stay for Makepe Misoke. Now block through this. Quarter for Belmondo, Bebel. For the Grande Gueule. Grande Gueule, they gave a talk with this matter. They told us sapeur pompier order for day. Sapeur c'est picking for Colin Michael, they want come for Ngodi can with this so. They all don't finish the whole big compound. How on a Calabot and so other part the bill and out zinc. Zinc the bone like Calabot the bone like a fuel. Any man is struggling now for see it going to a drum for as they pour water, fire the so come up. They pour water, fire the so climb. Other one they carry Sansan, they that Sansan to one for day. Other one into the take way to the call and city, plantistic na Belmondo this Bebel. They don't quench and sute. They don't quench and sute for the country put them. I say Bebel and the matter that we talk about them. This can issue them. You deal with it in a chapter for fire with the wrong quench. The whole big compound. It go quarter for that level. Go quarter for this country. People them na solicitation. MP and so it be happen for them with the quench fire. We fire burn the whole big compound. We a family for chef the block now. All them sleep now for outside country people who go for New Bell. Quartier Bangante na for Carrefour Bentikin. For quartier Bangante ding. Wait happen. Some girl, palaba soya. Okay, yes, Njumba the chop inside restaurant with some other girlfriend country people them. A can scatter out in chakara out for that restaurant. Ladies. I said, client abandon their chop. Well, I go and take Tokyo run. Oh man, take Tokyo run for the. Then broke canteen, broke glass, broke suitors and task them for the plate. Broke out for the people they take Tokyo run. Wait to happen for the country people then. They say the girl don't first come at 3 days. Kind of struggle saying Jumba no must enter the restaurant for the country with so other and the country with other girls and country people then. So I'm so for that side they broke out in for the so the police on last can with the and take the girl anti put for the restaurant. Then they ask about 500,000 francs for all the two on the store for the chakara chop, chakara plate them scattered in for that restaurant. Then a commodity country people now. So situation happened for place where they call them for them. So this one a Carrefour Bentikin for quartier Bangante for this so kona mami happy day as I get to talk about them for the issue them for this way Tata God love make we get this image them we decide to come back for inside the family. We ask them for one woman make it tell we wait it really happen for day where all things they na chakala so for that una restaurant country people them una yet way this aja it talk.
Pass na say na 3 days this today that woman don't first come for ye. He don't fight with ye for nights with knife. He don't can dispose all customer where they chop for ye. That one he don't pass. Today again, he say in Juma they can't chop for ye. As in Juma they can't chop for ye, they must lock this place because Juma can't for chop for ye. He don't bring knife again this morning time. For can drop people and broke all things where they see for ye. I insist that they come. You sister say then they he die in Jumba. No must chop for ye again. Now why they don't come broke all this place? So that all two way don't spoil for ye. We want to say back and for we sister. Send me franc. What we don't lost for ye. We play to we don't broke them. All two way don't broke them for ye. Now you will revendicated for you because and they don't go bring boys there for quarter. So they can't make a noise for ye. As when they see so all customer don't run. All man don't go. Name for that girl now. We don't know that girl. We don't know her name. The master don't, the sister don't talk say na killer.
The master na peng aliko. Buna ide show process go to. People them Chinois them for Douala. Then too they decided to lock all boutique, all store for Chinois them for Douala. They locked the whole yesterday, and this is now 1 week, 7 days where they no go open that boutique them for insecurity. Now it is. I say Chinois they don't lock at all. They say for Yaoundé they match, but then for here they no go match. Oh, they don't always say they go turn the way they turn so country people them lock out in. So that for Chinois they now Cameroon and the way they be buy and put them for your front store there for Chinois. Look at microphone they get the run. Chinois woman they run for this and they want to take microphone. So out in they say no, we no go talk with. They no go talk them for this country put them. So us no lock store, they say no open nothing, no sell, no nothing. As we get and so but Cameroon and Nigeria say she know the over wicked na the cost is their trouble and so they better run now, enter, lock their get them. I say enter with their penga, all the small damage they won't buy and so for this country put them. They say them for talk for telling lie. They no go talk for any microphone for television and for that side so country people they say mbano. They no go talk them at all as soon as get and so trouble. They happen with this with the strike see they over disturb them. They over disturb them so for the country people they say whether they don't talk or they don't talk and market could continue so Chinese they don't first strike now go about time they first deny this so no one give visa for Cameroonian business people them to for this so country people them as the situation happen that's what the thing come take place wonderful thing so Chinese now and they said this so they no go do nothing for this so country people you want be so wait for Yaoundé they don't first march the whole town so they go for their embassy for security say insecurity now this Roland a comité we go there read them say fermeture contre l'insécurité yes country people them take we go for the assumption Chinese they won't understand the same back so they open again so they kill 6 of their brother them insecurity aggression and can get in them wonderful matter so they don't lock so they don't open again until they wait me to solve the problem. So it was from 2002 to 2013. Now, this 8 years, 9 years now, they so kill them. So they march now for talk so it don't too much for them. Go now for their embassy for they so they do all things for their country people they about this chapter they now for do how for the palaver they so for say this so make them do all things now for inside this aggression them make it fight try bring them security back. So many people so she know them to make grave for Cameroon country people them see me try alternate of their palaver for a day. Women for Yaoundé go from Colby Song quarter now 1 week this we Latin they from Colby Song day and like they from Colby Song and so people they suffer for the past my alternate spoil inside fridge. Ladies. Colby Song quarter na so for inside Yaoundé. All the installation in day, all in the day, kind. But deep freezer congelated the ultimately thing don't spoil. Chop the spoil side by side, spoil for the. This woman talk away the choppy cocker for the and the cassava. And say all things television self don't spoil. Say television self don't spoil for you don't know what will happen. Then carpenter that talk away even forgive a box for bury person coffin. We no day because any feel respect time for security say this so Latino day they cut life for that side they make it suffer. Pass marks for the country people them. So all side by side now, the same Colby some quarter on the inside darkness for all this time. We put a so complain, nothing, and nothing happen, nothing, and it take place for the country people. Now, so the situation they happen for side for place where they call us Yaoundé. Yaoundé, na for day. Et François Bozizé day for Hilton. Don't be 48 hours for day. After where they so that means they don't put your own presidency. Na for Hilton. After where they saw Michel Djokountia, new Ngunguma, where he take power to force coup d'etat, and she done for chair. Ladies. Now the guy that country people then, I say Michel Djokountia. Ladies, he don't be diplomat, he don't be consul, an ambassador. Under François Bozizé, now he don't talk in a lie. He don't turn a war man. He don't go learn war for Sudan. Come now say Moscarian. Must take over for this country to them. So the man didn't move on now. So even now, for enter aeroplane for in Angribuna, highest helicopter. But the moto, where they taking now from Bertrand for moto, it's build them enter Yaoundé. So a minister then come one time for Douala. So this Michel Djokountia. Michel Djokountia. When I keep that name for my head. Michel Djokountia. Masami Michel. This country to them. Now, the number 1 person for Central African Republic, we don't take over government. He talks this so after 3 years he go organize election. But the actually say he go come up for power. He said another time he come up power. So go organize election. Michel Djokountia. Now that's the country people them so situation happen where all man just run around come out for Bangui enter Cameroon this so and the one be so transport away they can drive all them go them Douala Bangui. They be blocked for Douala here for yesterday, and they be blocked too for the one they don't come out. The one Fox enter Central Africa, they be blocked for boundary. We don't lock boundary frontier for Cameroon and Central Africa Republic country people in Haiti. They talk about all this Ngongo the way they go Central Africa. They don't know the work I don't make the exercise with Douala. Where no day for no way. They no fit for go as navigate and so country people. So now the one way they fix their small thing, they don't spoil for motor, they fix it. Other one they drive and motor, they sleep put belly for up. The president have will try for do something for them. And as we talk about them, so all them plenty of the Ngongo they carry now. You see, FCA, Republic Central African. Now the number plate, the mark number plate, they will come up for Central Africa country people. Them. This man talks say he carry picking run so they come on for the Central African so. Come after they run for that matter so country to them. After the all these things start with rebels, after they enter Bangui, they did it. So it happen now so plenty of them they with their woman and say for day and after they now they chop their soya, bond their picking them. But I say for Kang Central African, a place where they call them where they see this one now for yesterday. So they get plenty work to for this man they call and say Commandant for Tabon John for protect yesterday country people them so and so be so for that side they wanna get it talk about the insecurity cause trouble them for them. For election now, election they can start country people then. John Fundi, Uronte Unasibi visit Equinox Television for Saturday we pass so he give plenty interview. They will cut them portion by portion for make una see and follow it to really happen. Here they will actually answer question for how we this way to really cause trouble to make them change decision. Don't now say they go for election. Today now the one we will be asked make it tell me say John Fundi chairman. You know, over Cameroon and the Sabi say you've never been a candidate for presidency, for take chair from Nkunkuma for A2G. This one when he talks to yourself, you go for Senate, for go be senator, for senatorial so. Now for say what you don't accept say Nkunkuma don't pass you, and you want go now for upper chambers, on a way to make you accept for be only senator. And that way, Fundi, he talk.
So we don't reach place, and for that higher house. Now, me said I get for take the lead, she down inside. If me, I lead the SDF senatorial aspirants, because I be think say we get for go inside that Senate, the upper house, where we go put the foot down for correct certain things where they go wrong in our country.
This announcement country people them with the some family so woman find picking the photo they come for now so they read the right for French will try for it more French. Madame Yumoul Marie-Joséphine annonce la disparition de sa fille. La nommée Yumoul Bernadette ne jouissant pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. Madame Yumoul Marie-Joséphine prie toute personne qui l'hébergerait ou qui l'aurait retrouvée de bien vouloir la joindre au numéro de téléphone qui s'affiche au bas de votre petit écran, à savoir 95 06 70 15, 95 06 70 15, ou à défaut la conduire à Equinox Télévision contre très forte récompense. So that's what the end for today country people saying story BB say man picking they like cooking spoon where they enter all pot soup. Thank you plenty. Thank you to Innocent Baker will lead the government for that side for mention them country people. They invited to be did in. Yes, so we talk about this other person, Stefan Nonka. Chap church to be the country people them. Ebule Steph Ajax de Bonateki, HTC Tata got love. All them participate for this edition country people them. Me, I be Masator Eze. Ekuleku, if una see my back, belly the front. Bye bye.